Today, we share with you the story of Andy the ant and Al the alligator. Once upon a time, in a green jungle, there was a small ant. His name was Andy. Andy was a funny ant. He liked to tell jokes. His jokes made everyone laugh. One sunny day, Andy saw a big animal. It was an alligator. His name was Al. Al looked sad. He sat near the river. Andy ran to him. "Hello! Why are you sad?" Andy asked. "I am ugly. No one likes me," said Al. Andy looked at Al. His skin was bumpy. His teeth were not straight. But Andy smiled. "I think you are special," Andy said. Then Andy told a silly joke. Al did not laugh, but he smiled a little. Suddenly, a red apple fell from a tree. "Look, a gift from the tree," Andy said. Al picked up the apple and laughed. "You are a funny little ant," Al said. "Do you want to be my friend?" Andy asked. "Yes." Al smiled. From that day, the small ant and the big alligator became good friends. They told jokes, they ate apples, and they were happy.